Welcome to the CG Cookie course about creating clouds with Blender. Clouds are an example of volumetric shapes, which means they're entirely generated with shader nodes instead of polygon modeling. And even though volumes require notoriously long render times with cycles, Eevee makes cloud rendering practical. Thanks to Blender's cutting-edge Eevee render engine, we can generate, tweak, and perfect cloud volumes in basically real time. Across 8 lessons, you'll learn to use Blender's shader editor to create a simple cloud volume first. Then we'll increase the complexity with a detailed cumulus cloud, then wispy cirrus clouds, eventually building up a complete cloudscape. In the latter half of the course, we will transform the lighting into a sunset, and then explore how to animate our clouds. We'll create a time-lapse first, like you saw at the intro to this video, and finish with a fly-through, which reveals a nasty render artifact that I'll show you how to fix. By the end of this course, you'll be prepared to take to the skies and generate clouds of all shapes and sizes.